What's going on, everybody? It's game time, and today we're going to open a box that is right up my alley. 2013 Fleer Retro. I don't know how I did not discover this stuff sooner. As you can see, I think it should have reprint type cards from years prior. There are 2 autographs in here. Precious Metal Gems, that was an insert set from the 90s, I believe. Yeah, I think it has several different kinds of cards from the past. There are 18 packs in this box, 5 cards per pack. I was trying to think, it has what were those cards I liked? Was it Metal? Was it called Metal? Fleer Metal? I don't remember. Some people liked them, some people hated them. They had those like futuristic style design. This in here, I'll show you. I want to say it was called Metal, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll back this up a little bit so you have to see my hand so close. Alright, let's get into this. I haven't watched anybody break this. I have no idea what to expect. Usually I check out other videos before I buy something like this, but I just kind of went for it this time. When I saw it and read the description, I was sold. So here's a BJ Daniels rookie class. And DJ Fluker from Alabama. Remember him. Irving Fryer. Oh wow, this is Tavares King. Oh yeah, it was Metal. There it is. Andrew Luck, Metal Universe. I thought that's what that was called. This is a good looking card in the design of like Fleer Showcase, I do believe. Craig Krenzel, Geno Smith, Johnny Rogers. Seems like most of them are this. What was this? 91, I think. Nick Casa and a Terrell Davis Metal Universe in his Georgia uniform. Well, I'm not seeing anything other than those 3 styles. Hopefully there's more. Cordell Stewart, Michael Buchanan, Stedman Bailey. Ooh, here's a Marcus Lattimore. It's a Fleer showcase design, but it looks to be, yeah, a different level. It's numbered. I don't know if you can see that. 83 out of 150. It's right there. Cool. The last card was a Metal Ben Roethlisberger. The light in here is not good for show there. Showing the design on those darker cards. It's good with other stuff, not so much dark foil. Here's the Ickey Woods in black and white. I'm not sure if that's anything special. Black and white. And the Ickey Shuffle. Tyler Bray, Luke Jokel, a Bo Jackson premium player, not numbered, and Bomb, Ryan Nassib. This stuff might have done better if the 2013 rookie class had been better. I don't know, maybe people just didn't like it in general. I'm not sure why. This came out with a big ding corner. Theo Riddick, rookie. Monty Ball. Teddy Bruschi. Bjorn Werner. And Marquise Goodwin, Metal. I see a Le'Veon back there. This would have been his rookie year. Mike Gillislee, Jerry Rice, Ezekiel Anza. Oh wow. A Ty Detmer. I remember this style of card. These packs were expensive even back then. Back then, I guess this probably would have been, I don't know, $4 a pack, which back then was pretty expensive. And there he is, Le'Veon Bell. And this would have been a rookie card for him, although it's not labeled rookie. So, I don't know. Eric Dickerson, Marquise Goodwin, Alec Ogletree. Ooh, here is, oh, and it's DeAndre Hopkins rookie too. Precious Metal Gems red. Is this numbered? It is to 100. Now that is going to be a card that you don't see a lot of. And it's absolutely awesome that that's who I pulled, because he is obviously one of the best rookies from this class. Now that is sweet. Look at that. That's a gorgeous card. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. That was awesome. EJ Manuel, who was not one of the better rookies from this class. I guess he's not terrible. He's not Geno Smith. Dan Marino, Vance McDonald, Terrence Williams, Mike Gillislee, and Terrence Williams again. Oh, these wrappers fall apart like butter. Jerome Bettis, Chris Harper, Robert Woods, Stedman Bailey, and LaDainian Tomlinson. No autograph yet, but I've already had my box pretty much made by that Precious Metal Gem, so any good auto would be icing on the cake. Kobe Hamilton, Joe Montana, Denard Robinson. There's the first one, Cameron Marshall, rookie sensation. I have no idea who that is. Cameron Marshall. Sticker auto, not numbered. Cameron Marshall. Nope. No clue. And Cordell Stewart, who I do remember. See another DeAndre. Mike Glennon, Ozzie Newsome, Ryan Nassib. Ooh, sweet. A Bo Jackson EX acetate. And another DeAndre, the Fleer Metal Universe version. Andrew Luck, Zach Ertz, Kenny Vaccaro, ooh, Drew Brees, and Joe Montana. Look at Joe Montana. Gosh, he looks so young. This is a very nice Drew Brees. Some definitely good cards coming out of here. Fun to look at. Probably not very valuable, but still a lot of fun. Bo Jackson, Marcus Lattimore, Tyler Eifert, Roman Gabriel. I don't see those cards very often. And another Marcus Lattimore. He's like standing in front of a rail car. Eddie George, Corey Fuller, Barcavius Mingo, Gavin Escobar autograph. I remember this style of card too. What was this? What does it say? I can't even read it. Was it Greats of the Game? This is an on-card auto, I just realized. Cool. Not bad. And the last card was Kenny Vaccaro. Just a couple more packs. 4. Ryan Swope, Ron Dane, E.J. Manuel, a Cordero Patterson from when he was at Tennessee, and Tyler Wilson. Terrell Davis, Nile Davis, Andre Ellington. Ooh, a DeAndre Hopkins showcase version. Yeah, get in the sleeve. Good Lord. Hang on. Let me try this another way. There we go. Aaron Dobson. LaDainian, DeAndre again. Ooh, electrifying Fleer Tradition, Drew Brees. Now that is really nice. Really old school autograph, not autograph, insert style. Those are the cards I know and love. Man, that's awesome. And Cordero Patterson again. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Joe Theismann, Aaron Dobson, Le'Veon Bell. I forgot about him. That's the only. Did I get? I guess I might have got one more of him. Lane Johnson and Bo Jackson. Did I get? Hang on, just a second. Because I'm so dangerous lately. It looks like this checklist is very limited. You're getting a lot of the same players. Oh yeah, I did get one other Le'Veon. So I ended up with 3 DeAndre Hopkins. And this one, no, that's not the same photo, but a couple of inserts. Two Le'Veon Bells. A lot of base. These 2 autographs. Several of the EX acetate cards. And this numbered. I'll have to go back and check and see if anything else was numbered. It didn't look like anything else was other than this. This was the best card of the box by far. That's a beautiful looking card in pretty good shape. One corner shows a touch of white, but the rest of it looks pretty good. Well, thanks for watching me open this box. I've been curious about this for a while. When eBay had their last sale, I went ahead and grabbed it. So the mystery is solved. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please take care of yourself and take care of others. Until next time, I do.